Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I told you I was going to go to CVS and get this Lysol Deal. And while I got it, I also got this, what's this? Scrubbing Bubbles deal. But I'll tell you about that in a second. Let me just tell you about the Lysol. I did, actually, everything that you see here, I did in 3 transactions. All right. So, do I have the right? Okay. So the Scrubbing Bubbles this week were 2 for $6. And when you buy $12 worth, you're going to get a $4 back in extra care bucks. All right. And then the Lysol, well, they were varying prices. The Lysol cleaner, the lemon, that's that one there. It was $5.99. You buy one, you get one free. So wherever you see those, you buy one, you get one free. And then the Nutra spray, air spray, that's that one. That spray was, give me a second. I'm looking on here. I think it was $4.99. That neutral spray was $4.99, and you buy one, you get one free. All right, so okay, let me see the Lysol wipes. They were $5.99. The wipes were $5.99, $5.29. You buy one, you get one free. All right. So, anyway, I had my coupons, 50-cent off coupons, you see, had 50-cent off coupons. Then I had $1.50 off the Scrubbing Bubbles. And I used $10 off of 40 and $20 in extra care bucks. I paid $2.94. Okay, got back $10. I didn't get back the, in this particular transaction, I did not get back my money from the, not my money, but my extra care bucks. It is my money. I didn't get that back in this first transaction. So I did a separate transaction to include 2 more of the Scrubbing Bubbles. And they were 2 for $6. I had a $1.50 off coupon. I paid $4.50. And I got back my $4 because I had purchased 2 in my first transaction. Okay, so that was transaction number 2. Then transaction number 3. I bought 4 more Scrubbing Bubbles. I bought these, the ones in the container. And I bought the Lysol wipes. See the big ones in the back, the big ones? This is the big one here. I only got 2 of the big ones because that's all they had. And that was $6.99. You buy one, you get one free. And the Lysol spray, these sprays, you see the sprays? These sprays were $6.99. You buy one, you get one free. And then the other wipes, which are the smaller ones, I think it has 35 wipes in it. They were $4.29. You buy one, you get one free. So, I mean, this week, this is really, really an awesome, awesome deal. And what helped me is that I had extra bucks that I was able to use. What you see in my first transaction, I was able to use the $20 in extra bucks. And then I had a 10 off 40, so I was able to use that. But in this transaction, I used, let's see, 10, 20, 32. $32 in extra care bucks. I paid out of pocket $3.43. Where is it? There it is, $3.43. And of course there's taxes. Yep, there's taxes. That brought it up to $7.13. But that was for the taxes. But look what I got back. For the Scrubbing Bubbles. 10 for having bought $30 worth of the cleaning products. And then I had $6 in beauty bucks, which I got back. So that's $20 I got back. I spent $3.43. If you want to count the tax, $7.13. So it's like almost like a $12 and, well, 13. Let's just say $13 money maker, because that is over the price. My price is less than what I paid. What I got back is more than what I paid. Okay, so that's why I say it's a money maker. Yeah, but guys, it's a real good deal on these Lysol products. If you haven't, oh, I forgot to tell you, I had coupons. The coupons came out of the 1-7, I believe, Smart Source. Yeah, 1-7 Smart Source. I got all the coupons out of the 1-7 Smart Source. So, anyway, I'm happy I got all of this stuff. Look at all of that. Whoa, look at all of that. Yep. So that was a great deal. All right. So yeah, your girl hit them hard. I don't know if I'm going back to do more, but I might go back and see if I can get some more. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button so you'll be notified every time I put up a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Love you much, guys. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.